It's Friday! This video comes to you in two parts. Part 1. It's been a while since I made my last video, so I have some new stuff on my wall. I have 2 new mini posters, a Keep Calm and DHBA poster, and a French llama poster. Below them is a little something I made in honor of the fandoms I'm obsessed with. So in here, each line represents one of my fandoms, like a quote from it or something. Deep in the Meadow, that's from The Hunger Games. Then Spread Beneath My Willow Tree is from Buffy. And then over here, we have Firefly, Bones, Harry Potter, Angel, and Leverage. I recently finished reading The Fault in Our Stars, which came along with a Green Jay scribble, which was amazing, and I read it, and it was one of my favorite books of all time, so naturally it has found its place, along with my other favorite books, on my bookshelf behind me. Yes. In other news, we just got done with finals at school. They were a bit stressful, but now they're over, so we have 6 weeks of no school. Well, regular school. The next 4 weeks is our immersion project period, where basically we immerse ourselves into different cultures and we bond with our grade and have fun and stuff. And then after that we have 2 weeks of spring break before school starts again, so we have a lot of free time. A part of me wants to use this free time productively, and write, and get things done, and the other part of me just wants to have fun, slack off, and watch TV shows and movies that I'm obsessed with over and over and over again, so we'll see which side wins. Part 2, I would like to show you more of my room. Let's look into my shelves, shall we? On the bottom shelf, we have tokens from different plays I've been in theater. So the first one is Cinderella, then we have Aladdin, Beauty and the Beast, I played Chip, then we have this for Narnia, that was the crown I wore because I was Lucy, then we have Charlotte from Charlotte's Web, and I have a little necklace that came along with the book Charlotte's Web that I read when I was little, and then Chi-Chi from Dr. Dolittle. On my second shelf, I have some trophies from tennis, chess, then some stuff from China and Italy and Austria. This is actually a globe that has my name on it in Chinese. Then Panda, an ox from the Zodiac, the Great Wall, Terracotta Warrior. This is a rock from Austria, very special. This is a horse from Italy that was actually glass blown while I was there. Oh, I almost forgot. This is from my Chinese singing competition, and this was also in it, and I won first place. There's a link to that video in the doobly-doo. And at the top, I have some stuffed animals from colleges, schools, and my childhood, and just, in general, awesome stuffed animals. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to be awesome.